It is another beautiful fall day here in Georgia. Sunny, 75, and zero humidity. I'm loving September. And my name is Tanya Cristiano with the White Street Homes, and today I am so excited because we're going to be visiting a brand new subdivision by Toll Brothers, Chimney Creek. Chimney Creek is located in Cumming, Georgia, and we are about 36 miles north of Atlanta. The main highway you would take to get into Atlanta is Georgia 400. Cumming is located just north of Alpharetta, so you have easy access to all the shopping and dining options available in Alpharetta. In fact, we're only 14 miles to Avalon and 11 miles to Halcyon. On top of that, this community is only 15 minutes away from the brand new Cumming City Center. I also noticed that Publix is 2 miles from here, and both Target and Costco are only 7 miles from here. So you really do have access to everything you need. Today, I'm excited because we're going to tour the beautiful Acworth model home right behind me. And if you know Toll Brothers, you know that their model houses are amazing. If you're thinking about making the move to Georgia or within Georgia, or you're interested in building a new construction home, please contact me. I would love to be your realtor and help you through the entire process of finding a community, picking a floor plan, picking a lot, helping you design the house, and then being your guide through the entire construction process right up until close. I specialize in new construction and I love it. So without further ado, let's go check out your brand new house. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. Love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. about this house. I really loved it. I really enjoyed this Acworth floor plan. I thought it was laid out very nicely. It was open but still really cozy, and my favorite parts were the huge 2-story foyer. I loved that. The staircase was beautiful, the windows, the light. I also really liked the loft, and I think that the loft is just a great option when you don't necessarily, need all the space of a basement or don't want to spend the money on a basement, because a basement costs $100,000, and then on top of that, you have to finish it. So if you have this option of a loft, you have the room to do something like a gaming room, a theater room, a homeschooling room. I think it's great. Right now, Toll Brothers is offering some amazing incentives. They change all the time. So if you want more information on what's available now, give me a call and I can go over all of that with you. So did you like this floor plan as much as I did? I'd love to know your opinions in the comments. Anyway, that's a wrap for your tour of the Acworth floor plan at Chimney Creek. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are moving to Atlanta and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you, or if you're interested in a Toll Brothers property, please feel free to contact me. I would love to help you through the entire construction process as your realtor. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. Also, I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos on the suburbs of Atlanta, from pros and cons to cost of living, and even house and neighborhood tours, just like this one. So if you want to learn more about where to live in Atlanta, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current real estate market. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.